Why not? Why not? Ay. Why not? Why not? Ay. Why not? Why not? Undeniable. Since I saw you, I've been on you, and I got you, babe. If you ever need Latonia, need me on you, well, I got you, babe.
Yeah, 24 hours. Less if you can. Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Because he was banished, right? Something about like he was banished to, I don't know if it was LA or just like a separate part of LA.
Chicken milk bomb. Woman had an arm on it too.
On God.
I thought she was gonna put it right through Toph's window.
I wish she had.
Hey, man signs my check. Show some respect. Don't be blowing the ring.
I wish she didn't have to deal with those crazy folks all day.
I'm not crazy. Just desperate. And if I'm saying it, I must mean it. Not your way of asking to be excused?
May I be excused?
Oh.
Sound like some hard ass onion rings.
You want to stop leaving your things all over the place, baby?
My bad. Thank you.
What do you have in there? Oh, come on, Franklin. The kitchen's only 2 steps away, man. You ain't got nothing, babe.
Yeah, you shouldn't have held on. Shouldn't have held.
Hoodie, Henry Ford book, bunch of stuff. I like reading too, you know.
Oh, I know you like reading. Henry Ford.
Saw Pops last night.
Where?
On Western.
Yeah, eh?
Tough to say. Thanks for the place.
It's a close one though. Sweetness.
Who is this?
Lucia Villanueva.
That don't look like it's how. That don't look like how it's spelled. That don't sound like how it's spelled. But I rock with it.
Hey, you started the party without me. I'm Reed Thompson. It's nice to meet you, Miss Villanueva.
Who the fuck are you, the replacement white boy?
I was a friend of Logan's.
He never mentioned you.
Yeah, I asked to be a silent partner. So obviously, things have changed. I was told to expect Pedro, but from everything I've heard about Pedro, you don't seem like Pedro.
Gustavo.
Okay. Gustavo. It's nice to meet you. Would you care for a drink?
No.
Okay. Again, I'm very, very sorry about Logan. I know that this must come as a shock.
Are you gonna use Logan's death as an excuse to fuck with me and change the terms of our arrangement?
No.
Are you gonna act like an asshole and be difficult to deal with?
Well, no, I hadn't planned on it.
Then you have nothing to be sorry for. Can we get on with this deal?
Makes sense now.
And the money?
You wanna count it?
Yeah, not if you say we don't have to. You want to sample the product?
Not if you say we don't have to.
2 weeks. You'll be ready to purchase another 25 keys?
No problem.
We'll be in contact then. It is nice to meet you.
You too. Also,
I'm just trying to do the math in my head, guys. I'm out here trying to do the math for real.
What do you know about her?
I know that she can pay, but she's all that I care about.
Okay, I found us a new stash house. It's closer to Hawthorne, so that's where we're going to do business from now on. Count that. I'll be back with the other half soon.
¿Listas para jalar?
Sí.
Ajá. Síganme.
Who are they? The hell? Oh shit.
Las bolsas ahí en la mesa. Señoras, por favor, desnúdense. La ropa. Cada una en una silla.
Yeah, eh? That's coke business. Everybody strip.
Dealers get 10%. Processors 1,000 a day to buy silence and loyalty. Chunk goes to the church and other miscellaneous expenditures. Plastic bags, rubber bands, scales, cash counters, fuel, bribes for doormen, club managers, bartenders, concierges. Budgeted out at $10,000 a load. There will also be breakage, free samples, conservatively another 50 to 100 grams per shipment. After all expenses. Also, those 25 kilos could net us just under $2.1 million.
Fuck, I was close.
Where have you been? I was trying your place. I couldn't get a hold of you.
I can't even lie.
Trying to keep them calm.
I was down at 0 still.
Guess it went smooth?
But I was getting there.
Mostly. You're not gonna believe what happened to Logan. Really?
So, did they all just wait there until it ended? Or is that like a shift kind of thing?
Yeah. Whatever.
Is that a bowling ball?
Oh, you came back.
Now, how's your man doing?
Apparently, he lived.
Ah, it's good to hear.
So what now? You apologize, you beg for my forgiveness, tell me your life story so I believe that you're legit.
No, this is the part where I tell you that we are not doing business together. But good luck to you.
Oh, you're fucked.
Yeah.
That's where
But
you. Where are you gonna
don't
find your
wanna do
property?
business with me?
Look, I am a simple, reasonable man. I just want to do business with other simple, reasonable men.
I'm a simple, reasonable man.
Wait, you're a lunatic.
I'm eccentric.
You're paranoid.
I'm cautious.
Okay, so you didn't frisk me. You didn't ask me a single question. You stuck a gun in my face and you told me you were going to shoot me unless I stripped naked.
You got me nervous. I didn't know who you are. Besides, it's a lot of profit we're talking about.
Carmen?
Trying to apologize here, but you rub it in my face. Now, who's unreasonable?
No, you haven't apologized.
I'm sorry. I still don't trust you.
See, and I think you still got some of that Louis XIII left. So why don't you pour us both a drink? We'll sit down, we'll talk things through, see if we can't come to some understanding. And if we can, we'll do business together. If we can't, I'll take my product elsewhere. No hard feelings. Cool?
I get he wants the money more than he's willing to, you know. I'm trying to figure out how is he in a bargaining position, but you know he wants his product gone off the shelves to make that money. So.
Franklin.
The friends. I get that look.
You sounding weedy now?
What? I ain't something no way.
Come on, Franklin. You think I'm a fool that I don't see things?
I don't know what you think you see, but I ain't slinging no way. What the fuck is wrong with you?
On God.
What is that?
Nothing.
She thinks she funny too.
Where you kicking?
Go home, man.
On God.
Franklin?
Go home.
Ask too many goddamn questions. What's wrong with you? With you.
This is Javier, hermano de Max. Dice que no tiene idea quién ayudó y traicionó a Max. Si no encuentran mi dinero en una semana, voy a empezar a investigar a cada uno de ustedes. ¿Entienden? Bueno, muchas gracias.
Oh, mess. You think Ramiro's right? About Max?
The truth always comes out. What concerns me is how much damage Ramiro will do in the meantime. ¿Necesitas un amigo?
I think he said it. So I think what happened, that guy was a snitch.
How are you
Or it took.
feeling?
It looked like he was taking too long, but I think he has like his
Mother
snitch or
says
something.
I'm just kidding. All those years on my ass about my weight, and now I need to put some on.
She just wants to help you.
Might be sick.
Todavía disfrutas este trabajo. ¿Eres feliz?
This is a part of being the family shit.
Got my dinner at the ranch this week. Tu mamá te extraña.
Mi mamá o tú. Te quiero.
Quiero mucho, mía. Yeah, I feel like this.
Lost his fucking mind.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
I mean, since when does he toss bodies across his fucking living room floor?
So they cousins?
I can't believe you're smoking this shit right now.
We just have to be patient. Okay? Start the coke business up.
He's not gonna stop until he knows who did this. You can't just wait around for him to kill us.
Okay, yeah. So that was the guy who he flipped over in the house, right?
I'm hoping this is the beginning of a long, fruitful business relationship, Claudia. I don't think it's too much to ask the words "my fault" followed by "shit won't happen again."
You showing your youth up in here, boy?
You ain't showing me too proud to admit you wrong.
Respect him, young nigga. That's my nigga. You feeling a little too smart though. Yeah, that's right. Not like she needed.
Everything all right?
Yep. It's a shame you can't stick around. You bitches love the candy man.
Business over pleasure, y'all. Motherfuckers is right there though. Who pull up?
Hey, who you with?
What you mean?
Are you slow, nigga? This shit seem like jokes to you. Who you with?
I ain't with nobody. I'm with me.
Alright, y'all, that concludes episode 2 of Snowfall. Dope, crazy episode. I'm liking the show. I'm really getting into it. I didn't even realize an hour had gone by, to be honest with y'all. But they gave us a lot this episode. So a little backtrack, what we happen to see. Like, you know, unfortunately, I don't believe I was able to, like, I'm sure in the edits I had to cut it out. But in the end there, you had Saint Franklin. He ended up going ahead and trying to make another deal. He managed to re-up and get even more product for himself and for the deal. But, you know, he was talking a little bit too smart, a little bit too slick. And, you know, short the consumer or the purchaser or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, she wasn't having it. She wasn't having it. It's like, oh, this boy think he bright. All right, let me go tell these little niggas I'm paying here to go take care of him, get the money back, and like, cause they got the product, right? It's gonna be one of them things that like he would have to end up telling I can't remember the guy's name, but the Israeli. Yeah, I think it's the Israelis, that they, like, you know, the guys who are speaking Hebrew, essentially, that they're going to, they might have to pull up on Shorty, because right now, I don't know how they're going to handle Franklin getting robbed like that. It ain't no, like, you know, it ain't no love and ain't no loyalty in money. Let's put it that way. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't no, as far as the guy's concerned, it's like, oh, you just lost my product, so I might have to smoke you all together, because, like, Franklin's just a young man who just happens to be able to talk very well and end up getting himself in a good position, you know. But at the same time, he's still just a kid. I ain't even gonna say he's not a kid. He's still just a kid, because what, he's 29. I think late 18s, 19. You know what I mean? Because he said that girl is like 2 years younger. And by the way, that girl cheesed the hell out of me, because she out here opening my niggas bag and like that, just like making shit all loud for no reason. You know what I mean? Mind your business, y'all. Mind your business. Don't worry about it, shawty. Don't worry about it. Okay? And what else we have happening in the episode? So we kind of see the connection between like the plugs and whatnot. So you have the main plug, Alejandro. No, it's not Alejandro. But you have the main plug, and he goes ahead and and so the brother and not the brother and sister, but I guess the cousins then, the guy, because they were talking about the people who wanted to be family, and I thought they were brother and sister, but what it looks like after that whole community, after the scene where they go to the house and they show the family and the guy's father drops a body on the floor, he's telling him like, yo, we don't fuck around and whatnot, because from my understanding, when it comes to coke business, like, even like, what's his name? The guy, Gustav, I think, the big wrestler guy. He was asking the girl, I forget her name. He was asking Shorty, like, you would give up your family for some money, and then, or you'd harm your family, kill your family for some money. And like, unfortunately, I think the case for a lot of, unfortunately, I think the case is for a lot of people, maybe not necessarily kill, but I definitely think a lot of people might backstab some people, like, you know, people they care about, family members, for some dollar signs, just because, you know, what it can bring. In my opinion, money provides experiences, or allows you to provide you with more experiences. But I think the only thing we really need to aim for is peace. You know what I mean? And I don't mean like peace and love, like, you know, but obviously that's good. But I mean like more along the lines of like, I think people just like, at the end of the day, you can have all the money in the world. Like, a drug dealer is the main guy, the plug, the main guy who's out here has the entire supply. He ain't at peace. That's one thing. That's one thing about him, because it's like he has the money. He has the stuff in the houses and the cars, and the bitches probably about to come by, or the girl's about to come by or whatnot. But it's not like he has, but he's like, nobody call my phone. Like, you know, like, he doesn't want anybody touching his phone, because that puts him you have to be looking over your shoulder like 24/7. And that's not peace. So at the end of the day, yeah, you're getting money, at least some more experiences, and like more fun, or whatever the case may be. But you ain't never gonna be at peace. You're gonna have to sleep, because I could end like that. You know what I mean? Like, Franklin kind of got a small taste of it. His life almost ended on sight twice in both episodes, because the homeboy was about to shoot him last episode, and then you had at the end of this episode, because of all, you know, because of his slick talk and whatnot, he almost got peeled out another time. But what else we have happening in this episode? A lot of good stuff happening in this episode. I don't want to take too much longer on the end review, but again, great show. Shout out my boy Franklin. I rock with how he's doing. I rock with Snowfall. I think it's cool so far. We're only 2 episodes in. It's a 10-episode season, or I'm guessing I'm guessing all seasons are 10 episodes, but we have, and it's 4 seasons. Yeah, we're looking at about 4 seasons or so. So, yeah, no, guys, this was dope. I can't wait to continue to really watch this for y'all. I'm gonna be watching faster. I'm gonna be, you know, getting into it, watching a little bit faster. I'll probably be watching like an episode a day, but just to keep up with everything else, like music and life, and just you know, my business. Then I'm gonna be posting on Tuesdays and Thursdays for Snowfalls. But other than that, you know, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my other reaction videos if you rock with that. If you ever watch Atlanta, I definitely suggest it. I definitely recommend it. It's funny. It's more funny than this that they got going on here. This is some real shit. Atlanta's hilarious though. So I definitely recommend y'all go check that out. But I'm signing out, y'all. It's your boy Archangel, aka Young Ange. I really appreciate all y'all for tuning in, checking your boy out. Please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below. Help your boy out. Send more people to the page so we can get Snowfall a lot more popular. We want more seasons from Snowfall. I don't think it's canceled, but I definitely, you know, let's bring the support. If you helping this channel out, you helping their platform out, I'm sure. So send a lot of love, sending a lot of good energy. Hope everybody's doing healthy and well right now. It's boy Young Ange. I'm signing out. Hey.
Undeniable. Since I saw you, I've been on you, and I got you, babe. If you ever need Latonia, need me on you, well, I got you, babe. I just don't need your heart, 'cause I don't know where to start. 'Cause your heart is my favorite part, but you mean business, and tonight I don't need your card.